I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Neo File Manager. We'll start by exploring its user-friendly interface, designed to simplify your digital life. You'll discover how to effortlessly navigate through your folders and files, making organization a breeze. This powerful tool helps you manage everything from important documents to cherished memories, ensuring quick access whenever you need it. Let's dive into the basics of navigating Neo File Manager. You can easily move between folders using the intuitive tree view on the left or by typing directly into the address bar. Performing common tasks like copying a file, moving it to a new location, or deleting unwanted items is straightforward. You can also create new folders in just a few clicks to keep your projects neatly organized. Neo File Manager offers several advanced features to enhance your productivity. Its robust search function allows you to find any file quickly, even across vast directories, using specific criteria. You can personalize your experience by choosing from various themes and adjusting the layout to suit your workflow. For larger tasks, batch operations enable you to rename or move dozens of files at once, significantly boosting efficiency. To maximize your efficiency with Neo File Manager, consider these helpful tips. Always back up your critical files regularly. This simple habit protects your valuable data from unexpected issues. Adopt a consistent naming strategy for all your documents and folders, making them much easier to find later. Finally, explore and utilize the available keyboard shortcuts. Mastering just a few can dramatically accelerate your daily file management tasks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.